Much love, and I'm Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries. Just want to share with you on today. I was talking with my mom maybe 2 days ago, and just reminiscing on some things, and just talking about her mom, my grandma, and how you know I was quote unquote, I guess, the favorite grandchild. And as reading my Bible, I know that there were definitely favorites when it came to certain kids. Abraham and Sarah had their favorite. One was Esau, and the other one was Jacob. And I do also understand that really God doesn't want us to have favorites, but we still human, and that will happen. I know I do my best not to have favorites, but I was, and I know kind of the reason why I was my grandmother's favorite. One, I stayed there more than any of the other grandkids. There were nights that I spent the night often, where my other where my other cousins didn't, even though, maybe she might have watched them, babysit them, but I actually many times stayed. So it was just interesting, the love that my grandma had for me. But my mom was telling me a story. She was telling me a story when I got married, and my grandma was definitely in her later years, not much long for her to live. That as we were getting married, that my grandma made a lot of loud noises that I didn't even know till 2 days ago when we discussed it. The day is Thursday. That my grandma made this exciting noise when I got married, and so it just hit me because I listen to a lot of, when I do listen to music, because I really don't listen to a lot of music anymore, but a lot of soft rock, and it makes me reminisce of you know my grandma in particular, but others, but she really comes to my mind. And then just hearing my mom saying that she made this utterance, this sound, um, when I got married, it was just awesome. And my mom was like, they had to tell her to be quiet or calm down, and it just did something to my heart. And I know we all go through different things that kind of just hits us, and it's wonderful. It's wonderful, the things that how people make us feel. So I just wanted to share with you a special moment in my life that has happened this year. I hope everybody is doing well. Much blessings out to each and every one of you. May God, not only teach you, but also bless you in a way that you can enjoy. Take care. God bless. Much love.